Okay, so I have always wanted to create something that is unfiltered, raw, and something that is unedited. So this is my first attempt to it. I hope you like it. I'm not gonna make any editing to this particular video. As you might have seen from the thumbnail and title of the video, in this video, I'm gonna show you a website that I have recently launched in where you can go and request your own video topics, right? And if it gets enough votes, if others are also requesting the same topic, this is what I'm going to pick for my next video. This is going to be an ongoing activity and I will keep picking up video topics from this particular website. So basically, whatever you wish, I'm going to create video on that. And this is something that I wanted to do from a long time, because if I'm creating a video and if it is not something that my viewers or subscriber wants, then there's no point of creating it, right? So I wanted to make sure that I create something that is valuable and that is something that you want. Okay, so without any further ado, let me show you the website. Okay, so this is like you can go to request.techtutorialswithpiyush.com. Okay, I'm gonna share the link in the description as well if it is not visible. So over here you see I have added some topics, some initial topics, and these are how to get into Google, SRE roadmap, cloud roadmap, GCP Terraform series, AWS Terraform series, Linux series for beginners, and so on, right? So what you can do is, if you think any of these topics is something that you want me to prioritize over other videos, so you can go and click upvote over here. Okay, and if you think there is some other topic, some additional topic that is not there in the list, you can write the topic over here and request. It won't let me do that right now because I have not logged in yet. Okay, so to log in, what you can do is you can click over here, or you can click upvote. Okay, or you can even click sign in. Enter your email address. Okay, so let me enter my email address, and it will trigger an email to your account that you have just mentioned over here, and using that you can sign in. So I'm gonna just show you the email that I have received. Okay, so let me pull it over here. Okay, so as you can see, it says you have asked to sign. Here is your link, and if you click on that, okay, it says complete your profile. Okay, so let me just give it a dummy name. So let's say dummy account. Okay, and hit submit. So that's my name, and now I have logged in with dummy account, as you can see. And here's the settings. So I have some additional control because I am the administrator. So I have the site setting as well, but this is what you will see, my settings. Over here you can change your preferences, like whenever there is a status change on the post that you have subscribed to, meaning the post that you have voted to or the post that you have created, then you will receive a web notification or email notification. You can click set your preferences as you need. Okay, if you don't want to get notified, that's okay too, and hit save. Okay, and then here's how you will delete your account. I'm sure you wouldn't have to do that, but if this is what you want, you can change your name as well. You can change your avatar based on what you want. Okay, and then you can change your email as well. Now let's go back, and okay, as I was saying, you can click upvote on any of these topics, and it has some tags you see over here. So you can filter these topics based on the tags. Click over here which says any tag, and you will see all the available tags that I have created. So let's say I want to see all the DevOps related topics. So I click on DevOps, and it will filter all the available topics based on the tag that has DevOps in it. Okay, so as you can see, SRE roadmap, GCP Terraform series, AWS Terraform series, Linux Terraform series, not Linux Terraform, Linux tutorial for beginner series. Okay, and you can do that same for everything. And to uncheck this, you can just uncheck this. Okay, then it will show you everything. Now to vote any of the video topic, what you can see, let's say the next topic I'm gonna pick is AWS Terraform. Okay, so over here you can click just like that, and now it has 2 votes. Okay, this is how you will vote. For now I'll just downvote it because I don't want any dummy votes. Everything has to be organic, so that's why 1. Okay, so this is the default view what you'll get. Now if there is something that you don't see it over here, but this is something that you want for a long time, let's say impact of AI on DevOps. Okay, and then you add an optional description. I mean, maybe the subtopics that you want to include. If there is similar post already existing, that it will be shown over here, and it will prompt you that instead of creating your new post, you can use the existing post. But for now, let's say there is no similar post available, so you can write a small description, the topics that you want to include. Let's say a problem statement, impact, what to do, how to prepare, and so on, like whatever you think, and then hit submit. Once you do that, it will give you an edit button and it will give you an unsubscribe button. Edit button as in if you want to edit your post or if you want to unsubscribe from the notifications. Okay, and that's it. You cannot add tags. I can only add tags as the administrator, so I'll show you what I can do that. So for now, uh, your topic has been listed over here and it is sorted by the last added date. Okay, because this is something that I've recently added, so it is appearing on the top. Okay, it's pretty simple and it will give you the power to request, because you know what happens. Okay, let me just change the view. What happens, everyone requests some topics, some videos on LinkedIn post or Twitter post or DM me personally or comment on the video, and it is impossible for me to keep track of all the requests and how many requests do I get. So that is why I have created this uniform platform. Okay, so that you can go vote and everything is visible over there. So what I will do every month, or let's say every couple of weeks, I will go there, I'll see um which topic has highest number of votes, and this is what I'm gonna prepare as my next video. All right, so that is what I wanted to show you. That is what I wanted um, you to have a look and make use of it, spread the word, and yeah, request your videos. So thank you so much for watching. I wish you have a good day. I will see you soon with the next video. Thank you so much.